Hey guys, I want to talk quickly about our online proposal system. One of the things that sets Premier apart is that we really handle everything online. So anytime you have a specific event, all we really need is your date, your city, and a little bit more about the event, and we'll email you a custom proposal within minutes. From there, you can put it up on your conference room when you guys are meeting. You guys can all kind of go in, edit that proposal, and you can dislike and like speakers that we send over. One of the great things about that is it gives your agent real-time feedback on the speakers that you're liking and you're disliking. So then we can go in there on that live link and make more suggestions based on that feedback. So again, feel free to pull up that proposal, take it to your boardroom, put it on the big screen for all of your, kind of staff to see. We know that you're doing it, and let us know how we can customize that proposal so when you go into that meeting, you look good and you have everything together from your end, because that's what we're here to do. We're here to make you look good as the event planner and make sure all your bosses and those that you're reporting to feel like you've done a great job in preparing them for some of the speakers that they might want to consider for the next event.